how to set more activity about you on Facebook. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. Okay, tap the gear icon. Here in settings and privacy and preference section, you can see here the notifications. Okay, you can tap this. Here in notification, you can see the what notification you received section, and below of this, you can see here the more activity about you, and you can tap this to set. Here in more activity about you, so you can allow or disallow this by switching on or off the switch button on the right side of this allow notification on Facebook. And okay, for example, I turn off this. Okay, tap the turn off, and that's it. Okay, you have successfully turned off. So okay, you can turn on again by switching on the switch button on the right side. And also you can set the where you receive this notification, push, email, and to SMS. So you can enable or disable this by switching on or off the switch button on the right side. So for example, I turn off the push, I turn on the email, and I turn off the SMS. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully set more activity about you on Facebook. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.